अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मद।
Respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon, is a role model for every person of this world who believes in Allah and the day of judgment. This source of light and guidance, Prophet peace be upon, can lead us completely. The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers and preachers, but none was as great as the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon. Allah sent His messenger every period of history to guide the humanity. The world has been waiting for the last prophet for centuries. This long wait was ended with the prophethood of the Prophet peace be upon. He was sent as the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His Sharia was regarded as the last message of Allah and the previous Sharias was abolished. His guidance was declared sufficient for all till the end of this world. The Prophet peace be upon said, if Hazrat Musa has been alive, he had no option but to follow me. Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. He is an embodiment of mercy for all mankind. All the prophets guided the humans, but Muhammad peace be upon brought a revolution in the life of the people. This revolution is exemplary in the history of mankind. Our love for the Prophet peace be upon involves not only the devotion and passion for him but to follow his deeds also. There is no option left for us but to follow his teachings. The Quran and Sunnah are the basis of our religion. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet peace be upon guides us in our individual and collective life. If we want to get success in this life and the life afterwards, we should follow the teaching of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.